Hey everybody, it's your girl 1K Yellow Diamond. Nah, I'm just playing. It's Mank Mank Mukbangs, and I am doing this collaboration video with 1K Yellow Diamond. So after you guys check out her video, you guys make sure you come over to my channel and check me out. And if you like me, become a Mankster. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
Hi, how you doing? It's your girl, your lady, 1K Yellow Diamond, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my channel. Hello, 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 hello. How is everybody doing? How is everybody doing today? Bye. How you doing today? I want to know. Let me know. Comment it below and let me know how you doing today. How you doing? I want to know. I'm just not asking. I really want to know. How are you doing today? I'm waiting. Comment. I don't see no one commenting. Comment it. How you doing? You doing fine? You doing okay? You're not doing so well? You don't know what's going on? You doing? I'm great. I'm fabulous. I'm blessed. How are you doing today? One word, describe how you doing right now, okay? All right. And what? If you're not doing okay, remember, take a breather. Because you can't just like, I'm not doing well. Okay. No, take a breather, take a moment, say a prayer, talk to God, talk to somebody that's positive, and start over and say, hey, this is going to be a great day. Regardless of what happened, God, let your will be done. Okay? All right. That's simple. All right. Okay. Let's get into this video. As you could tell by the beginning, yes, I am collabing with Manky Mank's Mukbang. Yes, I am. Manky Mank's Mukbang. We are collabing on the challenge blindfold. Well, it's not called the BBB challenge. Blindfold, build, and bite. And we doing the taco version. Yes, we are the taco version. So, make sure after you see me make a fool of myself and eating good with the blindfold, make sure you go to her channel and show her some love and let her know that you are coming from 1K Yellow Diamond. Say Manky Mank Mukbangs. I'm from 1K Yellow Diamond, and I want to show you some love, okay? All right, that's what we going to do. So let's get into this challenge. Okay, this is the taco version. Hopefully you all seen the BBB challenge with the burger version. If not, go check that video. I will put it in the, the card and in the description and all that in the screen, and go check it out, okay? It's called the BBB challenge. Blindfold yourself, build your taco, build your food, and bite. And bite. Okay, y'all. Let's get to it, right? Once when I put this blindfold on, I can't do no editing, and I gotta build my tacos, and I hope my stuff haven't gotten cold. I hope so. No. So let's get to it, right? So I'm putting it on. Oh my goodness, where my spoon at? Oh, here you go. Ooh, y'all, I bet I'm gonna make a big old mess. So are y'all ready for this BBB challenge with Manky Mank Mukbangs? Make sure y'all go check her out. Okay, let me go and build my taco. This is my taco shell. Y'all, oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm gonna make a mess. This is hard. Please. You know what? I'm not going to use no spoon. I'm going to use it for my sauce. And I didn't even tell y'all what I have. I have my homemade taco sauce. Well, it's not homemade. It's picante sauce, hot sauce. What else? Taco sauce and Tabasco sauce. And then here I have sour cream, ranch, and a little mayonnaise mixed together. I have cheese here. I have meat and onions here. I have red sweet peppers, lettuce, and tomatoes and lettuce in my taco shell. Why I feel like It feels funny. Oh, I got something in here. Y'all don't laugh at me. Okay, I'm going to just use my hands. Yeah, we're going to get down and dirty. So how is everybody doing? Hold a conversation with me. Yeah, I'm putting the meat on. What else I like to put on? I like to put my sour cream. Well, I want some more meat. Yeah, I'm so confused. Okay, you know what? I think I have too much stuff up here. So I'm put some salt. Now this is how I build my taco. Put some sour cream. Yeah, it seems like I got to this part quick. I'm gonna sit this here. Then I put a little lettuce. I really don't like lettuce. I'm gonna put a little lettuce. Yeah, there go my dog. Y'all know. Where the lettuce at? Come over here. That's the tomato. I'm so long. Where's the lettuce? Oh my goodness. Put some lettuce. I'm gonna put my sweet peppers since I'm over here. Put my tomatoes. Yeah, I'm telling you, while I was prepping and setting up, my dog, Memphis, was not barking. And as soon as I sat down, turned that recording on, he wanted to bark. Okay, I'm putting some cheddar cheese. And let's get to the picante sauce. Where is it? Baby, picante sauce. I warmed it up. Did I stir this? Yeah, I'm tripping, y'all. Put some picante sauce. I like a lot of picante sauce. Make it juicy. Okay, y'all. How did I do so far? I'm going to do 2 tacos and I'm taking these blindfolds off. I forgot to tell Mank Mank Mukbang how many to do, but hey, it's all the same. She want to do 1, she can do 1 and take her blindfolds off. She want to do 2, she can do 2. She want to do 3, she can do 3. She want to do 4, she can do 4. 4, 5 in my bank account. Oh, yeah, hopefully my hair is not messed up. Y'all ready? This should be the thumbnail. I didn't even think. Yeah, Oh, okay. Here we go. Here, have some. I hope I don't drop this on my, because I'm filming from my laptop. What is sour cream at? I ain't taking no sour cream or sauce. What do I do with that spoon, y'all? I didn't taste no picante sauce. Yeah. I hope I hope I did the intro and everything right. I don't know why it seemed like I'm so off balance. Maybe I was a little intimidated because of the blindfold. I don't know. It's good, y'all. It's nothing like taco. Yeah, you know what? I didn't taste no sour cream. I taste this though. I taste my taco sauce, yeah. I'll make sure I put a lot of sour cream. No good, y'all. Let me build my second one. Use my hands, honey. Is this meat? I didn't taste no sour cream. Did I put sour cream on here? Put my cheese. I'm gonna do it different. Now let me go and put, cause okay, where's my spoon? Ooh, y'all, this feel messy. Hopefully, I'm putting a lot on here, cause last time I ain't taste nothing. Nothing at all. I did not taste no sour cream. These tomatoes and lettuce. I'm just gonna pick it all up. I really don't care for the lettuce anyway. Red. I'm talking about red peppers. I mean sweet peppers. This the cheese. And let's put our sauce on, baby. We gotta have some sauce. That sounds good. Y'all just use regular, I think it was chunky picante sauce in a jar, and then some taco season. No, taco sauce. Another taco sauce, and hot Tabasco sauce. Yeah, Tabasco sauce. Y'all, look at them. I know my hands probably look. I think this one gonna be right. I got that sour cream on it, baby. Mank Mank's Mukbang, how you doing over there? Let me know how you doing. Y'all go check her out and let me know how she doing. Come back. Okay, y'all. And it's good. I taste the sour cream. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that post notification bell so you can be notified when I post a video. I feel like something all on my face, y'all. Let everybody know the BBB challenge is in effect, honey. I want everybody to do it. It's fun. Yeah, this good. I taste the sour cream on that one. I need a napkin. I know I put some. Oh, please don't. Oh, wait, that's that lamp. That light. Where them napkins? Oh, wait, I moved it. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Okay, what's this? That's my counter. I thought, oh, here they go. Been knocked over something, broke it. So how did I do, y'all? Ooh, I feel like I'm rubbing that stuff everywhere. How did I do? Comment at this point. Give me a grade from A to D. How did I do? A being good and D being bad. Y'all, this is the mango, cran mango. Yeah, I'm telling you, sometimes knockoff brands don't taste the same. Like this is Ocean Spray. I got this from, I want to say I got it from Randall's when I went and bought that baby food. Because HEB didn't have mango. They had apple and grape and another kind. But they didn't have mango. So I bought the knockoff brand. I can't remember the brand I bought. But when I tried this, baby, please, you taste the mango. Yes, you do. Like I said before, sometimes you can buy the knockoff brand and it tastes good. And sometimes you buy, you know, the knockoff brand and don't taste so good. So yeah, I'm done. I'm finna take off my mask to see. Woo! I be like, wait, y'all, I gotta get adjusted to the light. Cause I'm, oh, y'all got a mess. Ooh. Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Y'all got a mess, but oh, I can't wait to look back at this video and see how I did. I'm gonna make another one. Cause them tacos good, y'all. I'm gonna make one more. But I do got a mess right here. A mess. I'm gonna put it all together. My tomatoes. I can't wait to look back at the video and see how I did. So what y'all think? What y'all think? How did I do? I think I did pretty good. I know I did. But if you want to do it, let me know and tag me, and that way I can see the video and put some clips on my social media like Instagram and Facebook and maybe even in a video. So make sure you all do this BBB challenge. Blindfold, build, and bite. Okay. It's nothing like taco. I don't know if it's the crunch. Or what? I'm sorry. It's messy. How? I can't wait to see Mank Mank's mukbang, her video. I can't wait to see it. All her information is going to be in the description box below. Please go check her out. Hold on. A myth. That's all I can say. And before I go, let me show you her page. Mank Mank Mank's Mukbang. Mank Mank Mukbang. It's Mank Mank's Mukbangs. Y'all, this needs to be a taco. I mean, not a taco. What you calling it? A nacho. Because this is a mess. I'm going to eat it later. I'm going to put this all on the plate and save it for later. Probably eat it tomorrow. Well, I can't do the vegetable. So somehow I'm going to have to try to separate it. Okay. Let me show you Mank Mank's Mukbang. I would just say, Lord, please don't tell me I've been saying her name wrong throughout this video. There you go. There goes her channel. So go there. Show us some love. See how well she do. Rate us. Yes, give us a rate. And let me know how well we did. All right. I'm going to close this out because I'm full. I enjoyed this BBB challenge. Blindfold. It don't look like if I did a thumbnail with this, they'd be like, dang, what happened? But I think I got me a good thumbnail. So blindfold, build, and bite challenge. The taco version. All right, you guys. Love you guys so much. And I will chat with you all the next time. Bye. And welcome, 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 welcome to my channel. Drink me some. Bye. Thanks for your love and support, everybody. Make sure y'all go check out Mank Mank's Mukbangs. Bye, y'all. Love you.